Hello, everyone. Let's read an easy English story together. This is Tom. Today is a special day. Tom gets a new bike. His bike is bright red. It is very shiny. Tom is so excited. He wants to ride his new bike right away. At first, riding is not easy. Tom wobbles a little. I can do it, he says. He puts his feet on the pedals and starts to push. He rides slowly, then a little faster. Look at Tom go. He is riding his bike all by himself. He feels so happy and proud. The wind feels nice on his face as he rides around the park. Now, let's learn 5 new words from our story. Bike, a vehicle with 2 wheels that you ride by pushing pedals. Red, the color of a strawberry or a stop sign. Shiny, something that is bright and reflects light. Wobble, to move unsteadily from side to side. Happy, feeling or showing pleasure and joy. Great job, everyone. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.